Want to know how to manage your notifications in wellfound or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created similar videos on how to log in and much more help in wellfound, so make sure to watch it. So since we are managing notifications in this video, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile picture. Just simply select that and then select settings. So you should be entering a settings page, and once you're there, here below active sessions you should be seeing notifications. Just simply select notifications, and here you can just simply manage notifications individually or all at once. The most important ones are job alerts, reminders, profile alerts, and much more. You can just simply enable and disable it just like this right here, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.